Chef Rama.
This is Chef Anita.
And we're here to show you a couple of easy ways to get breakfast on the table in a minute, okay? One is a mango avocado toast that we're doing today, and the other one is a tofu masala toast. We know that you guys all probably make avocado toast your way at home. This way is so addicting and so delicious, and your kids are probably gonna ask for this all the time.
And so easy.
Exactly, so let's start. I'm gonna take my avocado and I'm gonna cut around, right, the seed. Very simple. And then I'm gonna take about half of the avocado. It's a good fat, it's really filling, it's got great protein, right? So the days that you don't wanna eat an egg, you could do this. And then I just like to squeeze the inside of this avocado on to my piece of toast. We have a really nice whole wheat sourdough toast. And then I'm gonna take my fork and I'm just gonna basically mash it so it stays on the toast, and you know, you don't have to get it too pureed, just nice and chunky. And this is the base of our avocado toast.
So I'm gonna do the mango this way. Do the mango many different ways. I'm gonna just do something like you did with the avocado, Rama. You can do it that way. You can actually peel the mango and do it, but we can do it something like that to get a fine dice.
So you're gonna put in your mango, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna top it off with some nuts and seeds for the extra fiber on this. And now we're gonna add our fiber-filled and protein-filled toppings. We've got our flax, again, ground flax. We've got our
hemp hearts.
Perfect. And then some slivered almonds. Right? That looks so good. And then we're gonna hit this with a little bit of salt and pepper because everything needs a little bit of extra love like this. And now we're gonna add a little bit.
I would sometimes add a little bit of red chili powder,
Yeah.
because that's how we used to eat mango, with lemon juice and salt and red chili powder.
Okay, Mom, so let's try our delicious avocado mango super seed packed protein toast here. I cannot wait to get my hands on this. This is good.
It's a good breakfast with my cup of tea.
I love the creaminess of the avocado, the sweetness of the mango, and I love the crunch of that flaxseed, the hemp seeds, the almonds. This is delicious.
Everything coming together is really good.
This is so good. Okay. Another quick breakfast, we're doing a masala tofu toast.
Base masala is made from onion, tomatoes, and sometimes even garlic, ginger.
Yeah.
And there are many forms of making it.
So we're taking those flavors and that concept and we would usually eat with egg, but switching it out for tofu to make it plant powered. So I've got an onion that I'm going to cut into a small dice. I need about 2 tablespoons of that. This is perfect. I'm gonna keep
There we go.
the rest for later. And Mom, you're gonna do the tomatoes, right?
Yeah. So we just need about, for that much onion, also like a half tomato is going to be enough. And pretty much similar, we do the tomato.
So while she finishes that up, I'm gonna go ahead and take my Thai bird chili, and I just need a little bit, because a little bit goes a long way. It's really spicy, so don't rub your eyes. And just do really small little mince on that. And I'm gonna add this with our onions.
And while we finish that, I have my cilantro that's been washed. And yes, I do use the stems. And just finally chop my cilantro.
Now I'm gonna take, I would say, the star of our toast, our tofu. So we're just gonna take our hands in here. This is medium firm tofu, and we're gonna crumble this up and just get this ready to saute. Perfect, that's it.
Half a teaspoon of oil. Let the oil just warm up a bit. We're gonna add our onions, okay? But once the onion is almost cooked to a translucent, and at this point we could add a little bit of salt. It helps the onion cook fast. And we just don't need any color on the onion. All we need is a little translucency. Ready to that, I'm going to add the tomato. Our finely chopped tomato. Again, let that all cook down. I'm going to add a little touch of turmeric. Turmeric, you always add very, very little because if you over add your turmeric, the food color is going to be dark yellow and look very odd. So if you see, a little turmeric goes a long way. Now you're going to really be smelling all these spices. The aroma is amazing. Okay, so as you see, everything's coming together. My tomato is cooking nicely. Season as you go. So I added the onion, I added some salt, and now I added the tomato, I'm adding some salt. So it's very important when you're cooking anything for that matter, season as you go. So here's my base masala ready, like you can see. Very simple, very, very simple with the onions, with the tomatoes, salt, green chilies. To this now I'm going to add my crumbled tofu. Typically as an Indian dish, it used to be called a burji, which was made with eggs, but we're doing it with our plant-powered tofu. Give it a couple of minutes again and let the tofu fry off. It should pretty much be ready.
Now that you've cooked the tofu with the tomatoes and the onions and the green chili, you're ready to top it on your toast, right? And you can make a double or triple version of this recipe, and you can actually save this in your fridge and kind of like just do a quick little tofu toast every morning. It's a great meal prep item for sure.
And it's also great for lunch. You want to take it as a wrap?
Yeah.
It's amazing in a wrap.
I'm gonna do the finishing touch of garnishing it with a little more cilantro, and that's it. Let's taste this tofu masala toast right now. This is like a warm hug to your tummy. That sounds so cheesy, but it's the truth. It's like warming with the turmeric and the tomatoes and the onions. So these are 2 easy breakfast toasts to prep on the go. You just need a couple of minutes, and they're protein packed, they're healthy, they're delicious, and they're Indian inspired, plant powered recipes. For more
delicious.
Yes, and for more recipes like this, you definitely tune in to our channel and visit www.wannabechef.com.